Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make omelette biryani. First, gather your ingredients, including fresh eggs, basmati rice, and a selection of aromatic spices. Next, cook your basmati rice until it is about 3/4 done, then set it aside. Finally, prepare a savory omelette, incorporating finely chopped vegetables like onions and green chilies for extra flavor and texture. Now let's begin layering. In a heavy-bottomed pot, create a base layer using about half of your partially cooked rice. Carefully arrange the prepared omelette pieces evenly over this rice layer. Then, generously sprinkle a mix of fried onions, fresh herbs like mint and cilantro, and a good amount of biryani masala for that authentic taste. Repeat these layers if you have enough ingredients. The next crucial step is dum cooking. Seal the pot tightly, either with a lid and dough or aluminum foil to trap all the steam inside. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Cook the biryani on very low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once cooked, turn off the heat and let it rest, undisturbed, for at least 10 minutes before opening. This ensures perfect grain separation and flavor distribution. Finally, it's time to serve your delicious omelette biryani. Gently fluff the rice with a fork, then garnish generously with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime juice for brightness. Serve it hot with a cooling raita or a crisp side salad. It's a complete meal that's both comforting and exotic. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.